Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13206 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2019 Subaru Outback. To begin, we will be lowering the exhaust. Support the exhaust system with a ratchet strap or a wire hanger to prevent damage. To lower the exhaust system, remove the 3 rearmost rubber isolators. We recommend using a spray lubricant or a soapy water mixture with a pry bar to ease the removal process. Next, remove the heat shield and trim it according to the diagram in the supplied instruction sheet. Locate and remove the 2 rubber plugs with a flathead screwdriver on each frame rail. On the forwardmost holes, you will need to enlarge the access hole to accommodate the hardware. Make sure to cover any exposed metal with a paint pen or other rust inhibitor when finished. To begin the fish wiring process, insert the coiled end of the wire into the rearmost mounting hole and through the enlarged access hole. Next, slide the square hole spacer over the fish wire and slide it up into the frame rail. Thread a carriage bolt onto the fish wire and carefully pull the wire until the bolt is seated into the rear attachment point. Repeat this process on the opposite frame rail. Raise the hitch into position with the help of a friend if possible, aligning the carriage bolt with the rearmost attachment points. Center the hitch and secure it in place with a hex flange nut. Using the hitch as a template, mark and drill the forward holes in the frame rail. Next, fish wire a carriage bolt and spacer through the access hole and into the attachment point in a similar fashion as the previous bolts. Secure the bolts in place with a hex flange nut. Torque all the hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the trimmed heat shield and reattach the exhaust. This completes the installation of the CURT 13206 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2019 Subaru Outback. Make sure to install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next to complete your towing preparation. Thank you for watching this video. Now, get ready to bring it.